Okay, so here is what it looks like before the mats are in. Got a good looking carpet, but not a lot of protection there as far as that. So there's the carpet there, and then also on the driver's side portion as well. And then we'll go look at the back and see what that looks like. Then I'll show you what it looks like. Here is the cargo space too, and that's what it looks like from the other side here. Okay, so let's put these in and show you the difference. All right, here is with the mats. These have the mats in there, so there's just a little bit of a gap because these are bent also on shipping, so they're going to settle down a little bit. But if you take the mats out, the fit's going to be pretty much perfect. So that mat, I still have the mat underneath. The wife wanted those in there, so that's fine. It still fits like really nice in there. Look at the coverage over here, just like pretty much form fitting. So that's good. Let's check out the back here. And once again, the same thing. We have a little bit of gap here, and that's just because I still have the mats there. You could see the bottom part of the mat would fit right where that mat is right there. So this would be even more form fitting, and it fits basically perfectly in here. Very happy with this. Contours nicely to the edges, and it has this good lip around it, so if you get mud or sand or whatever in here, it's going to cover that. So really happy with how this is fitting. And then of course here is the middle one. This comes out here, covers that nicely as well. And I'll move the seat forward here a little bit so we can check this one out. And here we have it in the back. So you can see pretty amazing. Even it contours to each little part here, and just a really nice way to protect your flooring and keeping it easy to clean and stuff. All right, let's check out the back now. And here is the back one. It's still a little bent from shipping, but you can still see that once this goes down, you can take a couple weights too and put it on there, and that's going to help it flatten out sooner. But everything fits very nice in here. Let's go over to this side, and we can see that there. Pretty much a perfect fit. There's Boogie. And then the driver's side here. So very happy with these, my friends. Thanks so much for watching this review. Have a great day. I'll see you next time.